The essential components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. These components are needed for different functions in the body, such as providing energy, building and repairing tissues, and protecting against disease. 1. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. They are broken down into glucose, which is used by cells for fuel. Good sources of carbohydrates include fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. 2. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues. They are also involved in many other functions in the body, such as making enzymes and hormones. Good sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and beans. 3. Fats are also a source of energy, but they also provide essential fatty acids that the body cannot make on its own. Fats are also important for storing energy, insulating the body, and protecting organs. Good sources of fat include avocados, nuts, seeds, and oily fish. 4. Vitamins are essential nutrients that the body needs in small amounts. They help to regulate many body functions, such as metabolism, vision, and immunity. Good sources of vitamins include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 5. Minerals are also essential nutrients that the body needs in small amounts. They help to build bones and teeth, regulate blood pressure, and make enzymes. Good sources of minerals include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 6. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. It helps to keep the digestive system healthy and can help to lower cholesterol levels. Good sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 7. Water is essential for life. It helps to transport nutrients and oxygen throughout the body, remove waste products, and regulate body temperature. Adults should drink about 8 glasses of water per day. In addition to these essential components, food also contains other substances, such as antioxidants, probiotics, and prebiotics. These substances have health benefits that are still being studied. A balanced diet is one that includes a variety of foods from all food groups. This ensures that you are getting all the nutrients your body needs. To create a balanced diet, follow these tips. 1. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. 2. Choose whole grains over refined grains. 3. Include lean protein in your diet. 4. Choose healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds. 5. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. By eating a balanced diet, you can improve your overall health and well-being.